Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy half up half down hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm going to divide the hair from the end of the eyebrows on both sides. Bring this to the back of the head and divide it into two sections. Now I'm going to grab hold of that right section with my first two fingers and then I'm going to pop two fingers straight up. Take that left hand section and wrap it over those fingers, holding it with your thumb, then reach round and pull it all the way through so it comes back to the original side. So we've got a top and bottom section, and all I'm going to do is take that bottom section and cross it underneath the top section. Now I'm going to take that new top section, pass it to my fingers and pull it all the way through to create a knot. Then just pull it outwards to tighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to add a section from the ear upwards into that left hand strand and do the same on the right hand side. So take everything from the ear upwards and add them into the right hand strand, and then I'm going to do the exact same knot. So twist the left section around your fingers, cross the bottom under the top and then pull it all the way through to create another knot. Then secure everything off with a clear elastic band and pull it tight so it hides it underneath that bottom knot. Apply some texture spray over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just pinch and pull at the hair for some textured volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.